Is your split AC not cooling your room properly? Follow these steps if your AC is not cooling your room properly. Press the room temperature button on your remote to see the room temperature. Press the mode button on the remote and change it based on the room temperature. If the room temperature is too high, choose cool mode. Make sure your windows and doors are closed properly. Here are the recommended temperatures based on your room temperature. While sleeping, we recommend setting your temperature between 24 and 26 degrees Celsius. When active, set the temperature between 22 and 24 degrees Celsius. Here's how to use the auto clean function, which can remove moisture from your AC. Select the desired mode by pressing the mode button on your remote. Then press the function button to set it to auto clean. This icon will display on the remote to indicate auto clean mode has been activated. And here's how to maintain your AC's cleanliness. It's important to clean your product regularly for optimal performance. Follow these time schedules for each AC part and unit specified in the user manual.